Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best solar panel in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best solar panel? If you received a new solar panel, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best solar panel on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. 6000 watt solar panel inverter kit. The kit includes solar panels, which capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. The number of panels required to achieve 6000 watt depends on the wattage of each panel, but typically, the system will consist of high-quality monocrystalline or polycrystalline panels, which are known for their durability and performance. Number 2. 18 volts flexible monocrystalline solar. Their lightweight and flexible nature make them easy to transport and install, even in challenging or tight spaces. They can be mounted on surfaces like tents, caravans, or uneven roofs without requiring complex installation tools or modifications. Number 3. 3000 watt solar panel. The 3000 watt solar panel system is capable of producing a substantial amount of electricity, ideal for homes, small businesses, or off-grid locations. This power output can be used to run multiple appliances, charge batteries, and supply energy to an entire household. Number 4. Dokyo 160 watt foldable solar panel. The Dokyo 160 watt kit consists of two 80W solar panels, which are foldable and lightweight. This makes it easy to transport and store, allowing you to carry it in a backpack, car, or RV. Number 5. 18 volts solar panel. Rigid glass solar panel. The 18 volt solar panel is commonly used to charge 12 volts batteries and power small to medium-sized appliances. It provides a stable voltage output, making it an ideal choice for off-grid solar systems, RVs, boats, and camping. Link on the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.